Number 1.
1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000. With only 75,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup remains in impressive condition both mechanically and cosmetically. Finished in white with a blue interior, it carries a timeless look that reflects Chevrolet's durable design from the era. Powered by a dependable V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, this truck delivers smooth performance and plenty of torque for hauling, towing, or everyday driving. Its 8-foot-long bed offers ample space for tools, gear, or materials, ideal for contractors, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone needing a capable workhorse. The Carfax report is available, confirming its solid history and low mileage. From its strong chassis and comfortable cabin to its reliable drivetrain and classic styling, this truck stands out as a practical and collectible choice for anyone who values quality craftsmanship and long-lasting performance.
Number 2.
1985 GMC S15, price $5,500, well-preserved classic compact pickup with 165,000 miles on the odometer. It features an off-white exterior paired with a blue interior, giving it a timeless vintage look. Power comes from a 2.5L inline-4 gasoline engine, mated to a 5-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive, offering a true old-school driving experience. This truck has had only one owner since new and carries a clean title, reflecting careful ownership and maintenance over the years. Recent work completed includes replacement of the spark plugs, spark plug wires, cap rotor, engine oil and filter, engine coolant, and air filter, ensuring that the vehicle runs smoothly and reliably. The body remains solid and rust-free, which is rare for a vehicle of this age. The only notable cosmetic issue is a sagging headliner, but overall, this S15 stands as a solid example of a dependable, well-kept vintage pickup.
Number 3.
1986 Ford F350, price $6,000, finished in a striking orange exterior with a tan interior. It runs on a 6.9L IDI diesel engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The truck features a strong clutch, solid brakes, and power steering, making it both powerful and dependable on the road. The cabin is fully intact and comes equipped with power windows and power door locks, though the locks need some attention. While the air conditioning system is complete, it currently doesn't function. Under the hood, the alternator has been rebuilt, and a new voltage regulator has been installed, ensuring better electrical performance. It rides on chrome wheels, though the original stock steel wheels will also be included in the sale. It comes with a clean title registered in the owner's name, making it a solid choice for collectors or enthusiasts looking for an authentic vintage diesel pickup. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race.
Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1974 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500. It has approximately 88,000 miles on it and comes equipped with a manual transmission. The truck features a striking turquoise exterior paired with a clean black interior, and it runs on gasoline. It's a clean and nicely maintained classic truck, recently upgraded with a new Edelbrock AV2 carburetor and a Holley contender intake. Power comes from a 350 small block Chevy engine, complemented by headers, electric fans, and a fuel cell for improved performance and reliability. Inside, the vehicle is fitted with bucket seats and a 4-speed Muncie manual transmission that enhances the driving experience. While not perfect, this 1974 Chevy 1500 stands out as a solid and enjoyable project truck that runs and drives exceptionally well, an ideal choice for enthusiasts seeking both performance and vintage character.
Number 5.
1978 Chevrolet C10, price $9,500, shows 180,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. It sports a gold exterior and a red interior, giving it a bold classic look. Powered by a 350 small block Chevy engine with a performance cam, paired with a 350th transmission and a 2800 stall converter, this truck runs and drives great. It features new front brakes, new shocks, and has been lowered 3.5 inches in the front and 5 inches in the rear with a flip kit. While the frame has been C-notched for proper clearance, the interior remains in excellent shape for its age, with all gauges working and glass in good condition. Though it has a few minor dents and dings, this well-maintained C10 still stands out as a strong-running, stylish classic pickup.
Number 6.
1996 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,000. This truck has 105,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a gold exterior paired with a brown interior, and runs on gasoline. The truck holds a clean title, confirming its actual mileage. It remains completely stock, and according to the owner, it starts and runs great. The vehicle has been well maintained, with regular oil changes and routine servicing consistently performed. It also comes with new shocks, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride. Currently, the truck is fitted with 22-inch snowflake wheels, though the factory rims and tires are included in the sale as well. The front tires may need replacement soon.
Number 7.
1985 Ford F-250, price $6,500. It runs and drives well, with some expected looseness typical for a vehicle of its age. The air conditioning and heating systems are fully functional, and all power windows and door locks work as they should. The seat remains in good condition, showing only minor wear without any major tears or rips. The truck also includes a tilt steering wheel, while the cruise control is the only feature that is currently non-functional. It comes equipped with good tires and brakes, along with several recent replacements including a new starter solenoid, battery and cables, spark plugs, distributor cap, and rotor.
The engine starts easily every morning, making it a reliable work vehicle.
The frame is clean, though there is some rust around the wheel wells, and the passenger side rocker panel could use some attention.
Number 8.
1977 Chevrolet C10, price $7,000, features a newly installed 305 engine with approximately 3,000 miles on it, replacing the original 350 that had developed a knock.
It comes equipped with a 4-barrel carburetor and a rebuilt automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and reliable performance.
Practically every engine component has been replaced, with the only exception being the wiper fluid system, the container for which is currently damaged. Both the air conditioning and heating systems are fully functional, providing comfort in any driving condition. While the truck's exterior shows some scratches and minor blemishes from normal wear and tear, it remains a solid and dependable classic pickup.
Number 9.
1994 Ford Ranger, price $2,500. The exterior is finished in a striking purple color, complemented by a gray interior. It runs on gasoline and comes equipped with cold air conditioning and a functional heater, ensuring comfort in any weather. The truck is fitted with white lettered tires mounted on the original Ranger rally wheels, enhancing its classic appeal. Additional features include a radio, CD player, and Bluetooth connectivity for added convenience. While the vehicle has been sitting for a while and could benefit from a front-end alignment and a general tune-up, it remains in overall solid condition. This classic Ranger comes with a clean title and includes a 45-day temporary tag, making it ready for the road after minor maintenance.
Number 10.
1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,000, powered by a strong-running 5.7L 350 engine paired with a moderately built 700R4 automatic transmission and a durable 14-bolt rear axle. It features a chrome grille from a 1996 model, giving it a refreshed classic look. Until this spring, it was a dependable daily driver used for trailering outdoor power equipment. The body shows only minor rust on the cab corners and passenger front fender, while the frame and floors remain rust-free. This spring, the truck received a complete front-end rebuild with new CV axles, ball joints, idler and pitman arms, control arm bushings, tie rods, power steering pump, steering gearbox, and wheel bearings. It also has new radiator hoses, fresh oil, about 1,000 miles ago, hot heat, cold AC, and comes with a sturdy toolbox.